loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and in today's video we are going to be playing with some colors. Okay, so as you guys can tell, my eyes is pretty bold. Let me come close so you guys can see the eyes at first. So it's a pretty bold color and it's purples and kind of like silver, but it's not silver. It's all purples, the dark and lighter purples, but it is so cute. Okay, so yeah, before we jump into the video, I would like to remind you guys to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, so guys, I am gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I'm using my ColourPop brow pencil, and I'm just gonna outline my brows and fill them in. Now I am gonna go ahead and clean up my brows with my concealer. If you guys want to see a detailed brow tutorial, I have a video on that, and I'm gonna make sure I link it down below in my description box. So if you want to see that, you can go ahead and check that out on my description box. Now I'm just gonna blend that concealer. Okay, now I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is a lighter concealer. I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid and I'm gonna blend it out. This is to help my eyeshadows pop a little better. That's why I use the lighter color. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetic, and I'm using this pink color here to use as my transition shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly build that up until I have a desired look. I'm going into the palette again, and I'm using a darker pink color now, and I am just going to put that on top of the first color and just blend it out. As you guys can see, I am kind of blending that color like down to my outer V, and now I am going to go ahead and use this dark purple color, and I'm just going to place that on top of the other two colors and blend that out as well. So I'm just layering the colors, as you guys can see. Okay guys, so now I'm going into my Juvia's Place palette, and I am going to use this very dark purple color, and I'm going to put that on my crease. I'm also going to be bringing that color down on my outer V area and also in my inner corner area as well. Okay, so now I'm using my concealer again, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the center of my eyelid. So this is just gonna be like a center cut crease. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so now I'm going back into the Juvia's Place palette again, and I'm taking a lighter pink or lighter purple color, and I'm just going to put that all over the center crease that I cut. I'm just gonna pack that on my eyelid like so. Now I'm going inside my darker purple color, and I'm just going to redefine the edges. Okay, so now I'm taking my NYX glitter glue. I am going to be placing that on the center of my eyelid, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this random glitter that I got from my beauty supply store and just put that all over the center of my eyelid. So now I'm putting on mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. Of course, I use my hands to put my lashes on because it's just easier for me. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just going to blend the top area of my eye, and now I'm just cleaning up all the glitter that fell off while I was applying my foundation. And that is it for the eyes. We are done, and I am just gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup, and of course I will be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. My makeup is applied, and look at the eyes. I think it looks so pretty. It turned out really nice, and yeah, I really like it. And my makeup also is so flawless. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, like and comment down below, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye.